is a student-run design team. Each year, we design and manufacture a new vehicle for competitions across North America.
Over the past 2 seasons, our team has doubled in size, providing more students the opportunity to experience a thorough design process.
In the fall, the Baja team designs the components in CAD and FEA.
In the winter, we go to the modeling shop to manufacture all our parts. We then perform testing, which helps us improve our design for next year.
And in the spring, we go racing.
In the spring, once the car is fully designed and tested, our team competes in competitions across North America. Last year, we finished 6 out of 100 against teams from all over the world.
Academically, Baja allows undergraduate students to connect with experienced professors who provide insight into the design process. This gives students a competitive edge upon graduation as they have gained experience that is not available in a classroom setting.